Did you catch that agriculture sentiment score? At -0.75, we're seeing a significant dip that's notably lower than the historical baseline. This isn't just noise, it signifies a growing concern in the sector. Meanwhile, momentum is flat at +0.00, indicating a lack of strong bullish or bearish activity. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores and identified semantic clusters, which can help you dive deeper into the nuances behind this data. One practical use case. You could leverage this sentiment analysis to adjust your crop investment strategies, or develop targeted communication for stakeholders concerned about the current trends in agriculture. To explore this sentiment data further, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn insights into actionable strategies.